Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the most recent 50p coin release from the Royal Mint. So this is how it arrived in the Royal Mint hang bag, and that's the front and the back. We'll check out all of that information in a bit, but for now what I'm going to do is the usual thing where I open mine up, so that if you've got this, I want to see all the information inside. Well, I'm going to do that for you right now so you can see it all. And there we have it. So without the outer packaging, again the front and back. So let's have a look inside at all the information that we actually get. So as you'll see, the first thing is it's not actually all in as one book. This comes out. So we'll come on to this part in a second. So we'll check out this. So what I'm going to do now is just scan along so that you can see all of the information. And if you want to have a read of it and I'm moving too quickly, then feel free to pause it and have a read at your own pace. And before we actually open up the rest of this booklet so you can see what it shows inside, you just see the part about the design and the designer. And then a bit of information there about Rosalind Franklin, who this coin is all about. Wow, so I've managed to get this all in shot, and it opens up like a mini poster, and we've got this information about DNA. So we've got some fun facts along the side, some information in the middle, and then we've actually got the structure of DNA here. So I'll just scan these parts quickly so that of course you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. And there we have it. That is the information card on the inside. So let's move over to the main attraction, which of course is the coin. So let's see how this is presented. So we've got a quote there. And then on the very back, we've got some more information about Rosalind Franklin. And then we move over to the coin specs. So the denomination is 50p. The alloy is copper nickel, the weight 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters, quality brilliant uncirculated, obverse designer is Jody Clark, and then the reverse designer David Napton. So now let's have a look at the coin itself. And as usual, we'll start off with the obverse of the coin. So nothing strange about the 2020 50p coin with the Jody Clark 5th portrait of the Queen on it. But still, what a great finish. And there we have it, the reverse of the Rosalind Franklin 50p coin. Now what I really do like about this design is the fact that the last letter from both her first name and her surname just needed an A added onto it to actually spell out DNA, so that's really cool. But I'm not too sure about the rest of the design of the coin, to be honest with you. If you took away the name on the coin, it would just look like maybe some company's logo, but that's just my opinion. It's not the greatest 50p coin design I've ever seen, but it's probably not the worst either. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of this 50p coin? You already know my feelings on it, and to be honest with you, for 50p to have a great design means that I've usually also bought the silver proof, which I haven't with this one. But I want to know if you've got it, and if so, did you get the brilliant uncirculated, the silver proof, and did anybody get the gold proof? But like I said, leave that in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching!